Good morning, sir. Thank you for having me. My name is Jeremy Manggas Jr. Anadiman, and I am 22 years old. I am from Kuching, Sarawak, and I am freshly graduate student from Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu with diploma in civil engineering. How do I know about this company? Is that I read on your website that you are one of the top engineering company in Sarawak, and you have served more than 5 Fortune 10 companies, including some of the biggest projects like the new Sarawak Museum Complex. I also read the recent news article that mentioned you are looking to expand to providing the services for financial institutions as well. The reason why the company should hire me are that I can do the work and deliver exceptional results. Next, I will fit in beautifully and be a great addition to the team. Lastly, I possess a combination of skills and experience that make you stand out from the crowd. Among the traits I believe a civil engineer needs to be successful are communication skills. A good engineer needs to communicate well, both orally and writing. Everything from the problem definition to discussions of the possible solutions to the instruction for manufacturing or producing the final design must be accurately and clearly conveyed to others, including clients, team members, and the C-suite. Lastly is creativity. As engineers, creativity looks different to what we typically think of as artistic creativity. Rather than focusing on a message or a feeling, creative engineers solve practical problems such as how to store more data in a smaller amount of memory. The way I manage my work-life balance is firstly to play with my strengths. Do not try and be all things to all people. Focus on my strengths and outsource the others. If you are not a whiz at icons or graphic designs, then outsource them instead of wasting your time. Next, prioritize my time. I may have a to-do list with 50 tasks on it, so I need to prioritize those tasks into 4 categories, which are urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Lastly, I will set work hours and stick to them. I will set work hours for myself and do everything in my power to stick to them. Among the top apps for me as a civil engineer graduate is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is for drafting purpose. There is one and only software name that strikes our head. Secondly is SketchUp. As we all know, SketchUp is a 3D modeling computer program for a wide range of drawing applications such as architectural, interior design, landscape architecture, civil and mechanical engineering, film, and video game design. Thirdly, Autodesk Revit. Autodesk Revit is a building information modeling software for architects, landscape architects, structural engineers, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers, designers, and contractors. Lastly is Microsoft Excel. As we all know, Microsoft Excel have been very needful for all types of civil work since time immemorial. I once saw a colleague laying an extension cord in the office. It crossed a high traffic hallway and posed a trip hazard. I think it's always best to confident the person directly as opposed to escalating it to their managers, so that I approached the person and say that I thought the cord was unsafe. They agreed and I helped them secure it so it was no longer a hazard. Thank you for making time to interview me for the open role. I am thrilled about the prospect of working in this position and being a part of a highly reputable team.